Welcome back to a new video. I'm going to show you how to read voice messages on WhatsApp. First of all, if you want to read voice messages, well, in this case, transcribe or whatever. First of all, WhatsApp has an option that you can transcribe your voices. In this case, your voices audios. Uh, in this case, is here in settings. You have to go to settings and then chats, and then apply this option. Well, turn on this option called voice message transcriptions. Read new voices messages. Okay, and after that, after you apply this option, okay, I'm going to let me see. I'm going to look for a chat first of all. Let me see this chat, and then okay, after click on transcribe here below, okay, we'll be able to see the transcription. In this case, aquí it says, me imagino que ya tú tienes los primeros clientes que se registran el perfil okay, perfect. And this transcription is everything is okay. And then after that you will be well you will be able to to make a transcription, your voices transcriptions here in WhatsApp. And that's it, guys, and thank you for watching this video. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please let me your like and subscribe as well. And of course, if you have any concerns or whatever, you can put them below here in the comments. And thank you for watching, and see you next in the next video, guys.